Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the files and turning on Spotify's import. Make sure your audio is in a Mac folder you control, then open Spotify and go straight to Preferences. Toggle Show Local Files on, because without that Spotify will not surface your tracks. Once enabled, click Add Source and navigate to the folder that holds your songs. This tells Spotify where to look. Do this now so the app can index files. The rest depends on that index being correct. With local files enabled, wait a few seconds for Spotify to index them, then open your library and tap Local Files. Select the tracks you want to use and choose Add to Playlist, creating a distinct playlist for these songs. You do this because Spotify won't let you directly play all local tracks in some views. A playlist ensures consistent access. If metadata is missing or duplicates appear, fix file names or tags in Finder and Rescan by toggling Show Local Files off. Now play directly from the local playlist on your Mac. That's the working method. If you want mobile playback, make sure your phone has local files enabled. Both devices use the same Wi-Fi, and you download the playlist for offline use. If tracks won't play, check that files are MP3, M4A, or supported formats, then toggle Show Local Files off and on to force reindexing. If problems persist, re-add the source folder and restart Spotify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.